Now in session. Mr. Weller, you were found to be in violation of Article 2, Section B of Coolidge's bylaws. Soliciting of alcohol to extreme
Does it go in your head,
which
honey?
is grounds for immediate expulsion.
Does it go in your head? Yay! Good job!
Ladies and gentlemen.
As you know, I've been a student here for 7 years, and I've...
Your milk glass.
Order, settle down, everyone.
Can I have it?
Continue, Mr.
Can
Weller.
I have it? Come on, can I have it?
I've learned a lot here at Coolidge. Let the
Can I
record
have it?
show that when I attended class, I did receive exemplary. However, it was only when I met a special someone
Can I have it?
No,
that I
Justin.
realized what I was doing.
Can I have it?
Hide it.
Thank you.
After this is real life. I don't know why.
Does it go on your head?
I do know
Cadence?
that I don't want to end up like my father, whose whole life revolves around work.
Cadence.
But I
Does
see
it
that.
go on your head? Does it go on your head?
I'm ready.
Yay!